Welcome to our workout series. Today, it's all about the top 8 chest exercises. Let's kick off with the Barbell Bench Press, targeting the entire chest area. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps to promote muscle growth and strength. Next up, Dumbbell Flies, ideal for stretching and defining your chest muscles. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Moving on to push-ups, a versatile bodyweight exercise targeting chest, shoulders, and triceps. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 20+ reps. Next, cable crossovers. Use a cable machine for constant tension, perfect for defining chest muscles. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Next up, incline dumbbell press. This move targets the upper chest, contributing to overall upper body balance. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Next, the pec deck machine. Targets pecs, isolating chest muscles. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Next, the chest press machine. Offers stability for beginners or muscle isolation. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Lastly, decline bench press. Targets lower chest. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 15-20 reps. Achieve fitness goals with these 8 exercises. Pavanputra is not just a fitness app. It's your personal AI fitness guru, available 24/7 on WhatsApp. Imagine having a fitness expert in your pocket, offering personalized recommendations tailored to your goals.